1 hour.
Oh, wow, I missed all that. We have to start over again. I didn't record it. I was just looking at it.
Oh, I was such a big actor.
Yeah. Do it again.
Okay, Raymond, Oma wants to see the kids more often, so we have to figure out how you can bring them, right, Oma?
Yeah.
Oma wants to see the kids grow up, so she doesn't miss out on all the levels of growing up. Or here is an idea. We have to figure out how to get your videos from the kids to Oma so she can watch them.
Ah,
That's an idea.
there you go.
No, you know what? Even better, Raymond. Oma needs, your mother needs an iPad. Aha! So she can watch the videos online by herself.
As soon as they get Wi-Fi in here,
No, but
they have to have Wi-Fi.
no. But if it's a video on the machine by itself, you don't.
No,
need
that's true.
Wi-Fi.
That's true.
That's what we're going to organize for you. I think that's a brilliant idea. Okay. You need, instead of having the TV, occasionally you can have one of those iPads, and then they can send videos, and then we just download them on the machine. We have to see who here, can do the downloads, and then you can get new updates every day. Oh, that would be fun.
Yeah.
Cool.
Okay.
Solved. Plan solved.
Problem defined.
Problem
Plan
defined,
solved.
plan and solved.
Okay.